Welcome back to the channel, where we dive into the most jaw-dropping, futuristic, and luxurious vehicles on the planet. Today, we have something truly special lined up for you, a journey through some of the wildest motorhomes, camper vans, and futuristic concepts you've ever seen. These aren't just vehicles, they are rolling palaces, adventure machines, and in some cases, futuristic dreams brought to life. We'll start with the legendary Kenworth W900 Motorhome Review 2026, a beast of a truck transformed into a home fit for royalty on the road. Then, we'll explore the most insane motorhome in the world, a creation that redefines luxury and madness combined. After that, buckle up as we uncover the 2035 RAM Motorhome Camper Van 6x6, an off-road warrior that blends rugged strength with futuristic design. Following that, we step into the 2026 Lexus Motorhome, ultra-luxury Futuris, a masterpiece that combines the refinement of Lexus with a futuristic twist. And finally, we'll wrap things up with a concept so wild it feels like science fiction, a futuristic bike design that challenges everything we thought possible. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's take a ride into the future of mobility and luxury living. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's dive straight in. The Kenworth W900 has long been a symbol of American trucking power, a machine built for endurance, power, and style. But in 2026, the W900 is reimagined as something truly extraordinary, a motorhome unlike any other. Imagine the raw strength of a big rig combined with the comforts of a five-star hotel. That's exactly what this version delivers. From the outside, it commands attention. The chrome grille shines like a mirror under the sun, the massive headlights pierce through the road, and the sheer presence of its frame makes everything else look small. But the real magic begins when you step inside. This is not just a motorhome. It's a mansion on wheels. The interior has been designed with ultimate luxury in mind. Think plush leather seating, marble countertops, smart glass windows that tint with a touch, and LED ambient lighting that can be customized for any mood. The living space includes a lounge that rivals luxury apartments, a gourmet kitchen fully fitted with modern appliances, and a master bedroom that feels like it belongs in a penthouse. But it doesn't stop there. Technology flows through every inch of this vehicle. Voice-activated controls let you adjust lighting, climate, and entertainment. A built-in AI assistant handles navigation and route planning, ensuring you always find the best roads and safest stops. And for those who love adventure, the W900 has storage space for off-road toys, like ATVs or even a compact bike. What sets the 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome apart is the balance between brute strength and elegance. It's not just built to impress on the highway, it's built to make you feel at home no matter where the road takes you. Now let's turn the dial all the way up. If the Kenworth was a balance of power and luxury, the next motorhome is simply insane, and proudly so. Titled the most insane motorhome in the world, this is a rolling palace that redefines the word excess. At first glance, it looks like something straight out of a futuristic movie. Its aerodynamic curves, futuristic LED patterns, and massive panoramic windows make it look more like a spaceship than a motorhome. And in many ways, that's exactly what it feels like when you step inside. The interior is a playground for luxury lovers. We're talking about a two-story design with expandable sections that open at the touch of a button. When fully deployed, it turns into a sprawling living space with lounges, bars, and even an entertainment hall. Yes, you heard that right, a hall dedicated to live music, karaoke, and cinema experiences, complete with a 100-inch fold-down OLED screen. The kitchen is professional grade, with induction stoves, smart fridges, and even a robotic assistant chef that can help prepare meals. Bedrooms feature king-sized smart beds that adapt to your posture, while bathrooms offer rainfall showers with built-in aromatherapy. And it doesn't stop at comfort. The motorhome is packed with green technology, including solar roofs, battery banks, and a hybrid engine that delivers insane efficiency for such a massive vehicle. This is not just a motorhome, it's a traveling resort. A statement of what happens when engineering brilliance and luxury collide without limits. Next, let's jump into the future, the 2035 RAM Motorhome Camper Van 6x6. Built for those who believe adventure shouldn't stop where the pavement ends, this beast is rugged, raw, and futuristic all at once. From the outside, the 6x6 setup instantly tells you this isn't your ordinary camper. With massive off-road tires, reinforced suspension, and aggressive styling, the Ram looks ready to conquer deserts, mountains, and frozen landscapes without hesitation. Inside, though, it's a different story. While rugged on the outside, the interior is built for comfort during long journeys. Compact but brilliantly designed, every corner is optimized. Fold-out beds, modular kitchen units, and hidden storage make it practical, while the materials, sustainable wood finishes and recycled composites, give it a warm and eco-friendly vibe. Tech enthusiasts will love the control center. A futuristic digital dashboard offers 360-degree terrain scanning, route AI, and autonomous drive options for long stretches. Add to that drone integration. Yes, it comes with a launchable drone for scouting terrain ahead, and you have a camper van that's as much about exploration as it is about survival. The RAM 6x6 is not about showing off luxury but about redefining adventure. It's for those who want to go where roads don't exist, without sacrificing the comfort of a secure and smart living space. If RAM is rugged, then Lexus takes us to the other end of the spectrum. Meet the 2026 Lexus Motorhome, ultra-luxury Futuris, a vehicle that blends the craftsmanship of Lexus with futuristic living on wheels. The design language is unmistakably Lexus: sleek lines, bold yet elegant curves, and a presence that commands attention without being overly aggressive. Step inside, and it feels like entering a futuristic Japanese luxury suite. Minimalism meets technology in perfect balance. Lexus is known for comfort and refinement, and this motorhome embodies that spirit. The lounge area is wrapped in high-end materials, with seats that massage, recline, and even monitor health metrics. Smart panels built into the walls let you control everything from mood lighting to entertainment with just a swipe. One of the standout features is the futuristic Zen mode, where the motorhome adjusts its lighting, sound, and even air quality to create a meditative environment. Perfect for unwinding after long drives. The Lexus Motorhome also includes eco-tech, with solar harvesting panels, advanced battery storage, and an efficient hybrid drivetrain. The blend of sustainability and ultra-luxury makes it not just a vehicle but a glimpse into the future of green luxury travel. And finally, let's take a sharp turn into the wild side. This is not a motorhome, not a camper van, but a futuristic bike concept that feels like it's been ripped straight from a sci-fi blockbuster. The bike features a fully enclosed aerodynamic shell with adaptive body panels that shift depending on speed and environment. At low speeds, it opens up for rider visibility and airflow. At high speeds, it transforms into a sleek, bullet-like form that slices through the wind. It's powered by an advanced electric drivetrain with instant torque delivery, giving it acceleration numbers that rival hypercars. The battery pack is compact yet powerful, delivering long range with fast charge capabilities. Inside the cockpit, the rider sits in a futuristic pod-like environment with augmented reality displays. Navigation, performance metrics, and even real-time hazard warnings are projected right onto the visor, ensuring the rider never takes their eyes off the road. Perhaps the most insane part is its autonomous mode. With the push of a button, the bike locks into self-balance mode and drives itself, perfect for those who want to relax or show off futuristic tech to friends. It's not just a bike, it's a vision of where personal transport might be heading: sleek, powerful, and undeniably futuristic. And there you have it, from the legendary Kenworth W900 Motorhome of 2026 to the most insane motorhome in the world, from the rugged RAM 6x6 camper of 2035 to the futuristic luxury of Lexus, and finally, the mind-bending futuristic bike. Each one represents a different dream, whether it's raw power, pure luxury, endless adventure, or futuristic design. What they all share is one thing: imagination. The courage to think beyond the ordinary and create something extraordinary. These vehicles aren't just about getting from point A to point B, they're about how you experience the journey, how you live on the road, and how you dream of the future. If you enjoyed this journey through the world of futuristic and insane vehicles, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss our next video. Which one of these vehicles blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments, we love hearing from you. Until next time, keep dreaming big, keep exploring, and as always, thanks for riding with us.